Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you step by step how you can easily use Anydesk. Anydesk is an amazing software and tool that you can use to access any device at any time from anywhere. So I'm going to click here, start a business trial. You will have a link down below in the description also. Now here I'm going to add my name. Then I'm going to add an email address. And I'm going to also download the app so you can see how it exactly works, right? Company size. Okay, I'm not robot. Request trial. So now I'm going to access the Anydesk support tutorial, and you will get also an email address. So this is my username and this is my password. As you can see, you will get it in email, and you need to log in when you're gonna get the email. Now here we are. What you can do is you can buy the Anydesk. When you're gonna have it, you can also gonna have clients, and then you see sessions here and files. So what you can do now is to back to the website and download Anydesk, and then we are going to use it together. So as you can see, this is my address, and what I can do, I can invite someone. Then I can enter remote address. So I can have more sessions here, as you can see. So I can simply install. And you have updates here. So when you're gonna install it, let's see. And now we got everything here. So you can simply click and copy address, give it to someone, or invite someone, send a session invitation to following Anydesk ID or alias, and have a profile. So of screen sharing, and you can hear the device sound, restart the device, access my device, clipboard. So you can really allow if you're gonna have the screen sharing or full access. And then you would give the Anydesk ID, and you can invite someone. And you can have also option here. So let's say control my device keyboards and mouse. Maybe you don't want to allow him to do that. So you can easily disable it. So this is pretty much how you can do it. Now, when you're gonna be here, you're gonna also add address book, and that's what you can do. And on top right, you're gonna have things like settings here. So user interface, you can change the language, you can choose the alias here that you can give to people. Then you can have security, and this is really important to figure it out, guys. So interactive access, so always show incoming session requests, permissions, and all the necessary stuff. Privacy, account username, you can change the image, desk preview, chat log. Then you're gonna have the display here. So the quality, if you want to have the best audio and video quality, then visual helpers. Then view mode, if you want to have original size, optimized display, audio, connection, you're gonna find local port here if you need to, and proxy, file transfer, recording. You can also enable the automatically record incoming sessions at the session start, or you can on an ongoing session at the session start. Printer and wake up on LAN, and then you can also see the license key here. So this is pretty much how you do it. You can also have the alias here that you can use. Now, you can have also the set password here or address book. Session recordings, you would find all the session recordings on the top right. And this is pretty much it how you can use it, guys. It's nothing really difficult. So you can like add an address here. And if I'm going to have the app on a mobile or on a different notebook, I would just simply add an address there and I got it, right? So that's pretty much it how it works. And it's nothing really that difficult. So guys, if you can have any questions, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it works. And yeah, thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye. This is how you can use Anydesk.